How to turn off ask permission to download app on App Store. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can turn off ask permission to download on App Store, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to basically turn off ask permission, if you have been trying to download something on the App Store over here, and then basically you're trying to download an app but it says ask permission. Now why this usually happens is because you have family sharing enabled and the owner of that family has disabled and turned on the permission to buy. So what you have to do is, as an owner, you have to simply open up your settings, and when you open up settings you can just tap your Apple ID profile. Under it you'll find this option right here called family sharing. Now in my case I have not set it up, but if you have set up family sharing, just select that, and inside family sharing one of the options you'll find is turn off ask to buy. So you just have to turn off that toggle, and when you do that, turn off ask permission to download an App Store will get successfully turned off, and this way you should be able to turn off the permission to download apps on App Store. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.